In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an app that monitor USDC/USD de pegging, and if it's happened, remove liquidity from Uniswap V2, and then the customer can sell the token that he wants to sell. So let's see how we can do that. I'm going to click on Create Flow, and then I'm going to take Chainlink, drag this to the screen, click on Stablecoin and USDC. Now I want to take validation. I took less equal. I'm going to connect that on success. Then I'm going to take the amount, and I can put any number now. Okay. Next step, I want to transfer the LP token from my wallet to my on-chain wallet. As you remember, we are doing that in the same concept of flash loan. That means that the money can leave the wallet only if the condition actually happens. So next I'm going to go to token and then balance off in order to know how many LP I have. I'm going to choose the wallet, then select the token that I have. In this example, it's this B8D5. If you are not sure, just go to Etherscan. Under your address, you can see the token here, and then you can see your balance. Anyway, after I did that, I want to transfer the token from my wallet to my on-chain wallet, so I'm going to take transfer, connect on success, take the balance, and from my wallet, double click to my on-chain wallet. Okay, so now I will remove the liquidity because it's V2. I have to go to V2 and remove liquidity. I'm going to connect on success, and I'm going to choose the token, the second token, and I'm going to connect the amount, and it's automatically will calculate how much I have in each position. Then I need to add approval. Now, because you are creating an app, I will not do it like that, because if someone will change the token or the pool, it's going to mess everything. So what I'm going to do is simply unplug this and take the balance from here. So that means that if someone will change the token, it will change the approval, and this is what we want. Now what I want to do is to swap the token. So let's go to swap. I want to take the amount A. This is the token that I want to sell, and I want to swap it to, let's say, DAI. I'm going to add approvals, and again I will unplug this and connect it directly to here. So if someone change that, it will be fine. as well. I will connect it to here. That means that if someone choose a different token, now the approval will be automatically. Now what I want to do is to send my DAI from my on-chain wallet to my wallet. If I would choose to swap to a different token, for example USDT, so I need to take 2 transfer, and the first one will be the amount out from here, from my on-chain wallet to my wallet, and then another transfer from the amount that I extract from Liquidity. So this is the sum. And again, from my on-chain wallet to my wallet. In this example, I could take a balance off and check how much DAI I have and then transfer, but because I'm building an app and people can choose to buy a different token, so I think this is the better way to do that. So in case that they have USDT and DAI, it will automatically send the 2 tokens back to the wallet. So that's it. This is how to build the logic. Now let's create the app itself. By the way, you can simulate and see if there is a problem and if everything is working. What I want to do now is to select all of that without the start, and then I'm going to click on create group. The first thing that you want to connect is the De Pegging option, and I want to change the text stablecoin, and let's say the second thing that I want the customer will choose is the De Pegging. Again, I will click here, let's say De Pegging threshold, and small explanation. Okay, now what I want to do is to give him the option to choose the uni. And then I want to connect the 2 tokens to withdraw from the Liquidity. So this is one. I'll change the text. And this is 2. And then I'm going to put this description. And then the last thing that you want to connect is the token that you want to buy. Okay. Regarding the output, so I believe that it's very important to understand what is the ratio right now. So let's connect that. Let's put the output here just for convenience, and then let's choose the number, the price now. And then you can take this as well. And if you want, you can add even how much money add in each position. That's it. This is what we have. Let's change the name. Instead of group 1 to something like that from the wallet, and let's change the name here. And that's it. If we click here, we can see the app. And now let's create the app on the marketplace. So click back and dApp creator. Let's create a new dApp. Let's give it a name. Let's change the logo. Let's say this is the logo. Choose category and put description. If you scroll down, you will see the template that you have, and you can edit this according to the text that you want to show to the customers, and then save. Now go back, click on version, add version, let's say v1. Let's add mode. Now mode can be the same concept from the wallet, or the same concept from the on-chain wallet, for example, or even a different type of LP, for example Uniswap v3. Now we need to look at the flow. That's it. If we click here, we can see the app. As the user will see the app, you will see all the description that we add, and you can simulate the app, you can run the app. Now let's try to run the app a few times. First of all, at 0.94, for example, let's sign the transaction. You can see exactly what you sign on. You can see that in call number 1, the flow, continuing success, revert and fail. You can see in call number 2, for example, that you use less equal validator and balance off, and then you can even see this is transfer from address to address from my account to my on-chain wallet. I'm removing liquidity, and also swapping. Let's see, this is swap no slippage. I can build an app with slippage protection, but because it's USDT or USDC that de pegging, so I figured that no one cares about slippage at this point. So I will add another mode with a slippage protection, and the customer can choose which one to activate. So once I did that, let's sign. Obviously it will not run because the validation is not yet met, because 0.94 and the price now is 1. Let's sign another one, let's say 0.9, run again. Now if I click here, I can see the exact number that I put, 0.94. If I go back and click here, so you see that I sign on 0.9. Now let's activate the app. Let's change conditions so it will run on real time. My asset now is 0.41 DAI. So let's run the app. This time I will change that to 1.2. It's more than 1. That means that the app should work. And let's run the app. You see that immediately it's got executed. And that's it. This is the transaction. I will share this transaction in the description of this video. But if we go to the asset now, so you see that it's extract my DAI. So now I have 14.4 and the uni become 0. This is how you run the app on the marketplace. You test the app and you can publish the app on the marketplace.